So guys, welcome back. um like I said in the last video, this video will be particularly about how to create an order form using Ninja Forms plugin. Like I said in our previous videos, that when creating a product sales page, two major plugins we need are a page builder, which is the Elementor page builder, and form builder. And the form builders here are Ninja Forms and WP Forms. But right now, I'll be walking us through how to create another form using Ninja Forms plugin. So what you want to do first off here is, and remember, the reason we are creating this form is to be able to add it to the product sales page we created in the other video. So now the very first thing we want to do now is, on the left hand side of your screen, scroll down to plugins like this. Over on plugins, then click on add new. So once you're able to do that, come to search plugin. So you search for Ninja, type Ninja Forms. It should bring it out, the plugin. This is it. I already have it installed and activated on my own website. So another one you want to search for is WP form, which is the WordPress form. So as you can see, also I have it already installed and activated on my website, so make sure you do same for yours. So the next thing we want to do now is using the Ninja Forms plugin to create an order form for our product sales page. So come right on this Ninja Forms menu, click on it, or better still, you click on add new forms this way. But let's go to the dashboard first. So we are here. What we want to do next now is, you click on add new this way, blank form, create a blank form. It's loading up. So as you can see, get started by adding your first form. It's that easy. So these are the fields, the form fields. So what we do is we just click or drag the particular field we need, so it will be added on the left hand side of the screen. We select from the right hand side, it will be added to the left hand side. So let's begin. And what are the information would be we think, or what are the things we see as necessary info that would like to collect from our website visitors, that's product sales page visitors. So that's from our customers, so to say, in this regard. So what are the things we are going to be needing? That's their full name. We're going to need their full name. We're going to be needing their phone numbers. If they have alternative phone numbers, that would be good as well. And their emails will be good as well. Most importantly, their address would be good. We need their address in order for us to fulfill their order and have it delivered to them wherever they are. And if important, we can include quantities as well. So, and then we can just wrap it up with the submit button. So in other cases, you might want to include some other things which I can show us here. You might want to include it. They are not necessary. So if you deem them fit, then you can include them. So now guys, so the very first thing you want to add here now is single line text like this, as you can see. Now this one will be for full name. You click on it from the left hand side of the screen, label name. You name it full name this way, full name. Let me use caps, full names. So make it required, very compulsory. Now come to make it compulsory, done. Then add field again, plus. Click on let's not use line text now, let's look for phone number. So let's edit it to be no dot, that's phone numbers, make it required. So once you are done that way, click on done again, then the plus button to add another field. What do we need next? That should be their alternative phone number. I don't know if we should make that compulsory. Alternative phone number. Okay, let's make it compulsory. So here I would like us to add what's it called, a description. So what's this description going to be? Let it be preferably WhatsApp. Let it be their WhatsApp number, preferably this way. So preferably WhatsApp. Let me see. Preferably WhatsApp. Done. As you can see, preferably WhatsApp. Then what's the next thing we're going to be adding? It should be their email. Where we need their email. Then click on it. Let's make it compulsory. It depends on your own what you want to achieve. I'm only making this compulsory. If you think it's not worth making compulsory, then leave it. So that is done. Click on done again. Then another field. Which field are we adding next? That should be for detailed address. Let's not use line text, let's use paragraph text this way. Then let's make it detailed delivery address. It should be compulsory as well. So I would like us to add a description to this as well. Description, let it be kindly include local government, include local government area and states. Okay, let's italicize it that way. Okay, so done. As you can see, it's there. So what next can we add? Quantity. Let's look at quantity. We are 7 minutes down already. Quantity should be numbers. Is there a field like number? Let's see. If there is nothing like that, then we should use phone. I think phone should be good. City name, country, phone, number. This is number. Yeah, number. Then let's change it to quantity. Let's make it required. Then here the minimum option should be one. So you don't see somebody placing order for a 0 quantity. You understand? So the minimum order should be 1. So what next? Let's done it. What next? Plus, there's something I used to add to my own. Let me just add it for you guys if you think it's necessary. Single text. I call it agreeing to times of delivery. I can say no, let me not use this. Let me use a checkbox. I can say I agree to the terms of delivery above. Let's say you already told them they have to pay a particular amount before they place an order, so they have to agree. So once they agree, that means they know what they are doing. So let's done it. The next thing here now should be the submit button, which is the most important button. Let's see. Submit. submit. You can either change it to place order or anything, you understand, but let's just leave it at submit. Let's leave it as submit. So processing. So that is that for that, guys. Click on done. So the next thing we want to do now is email and actions. Success message. Let's see. Success message, your form has been successfully submitted. Okay, that is good. Go to the admin. Okay, so the email, this is very, very important, where you want to receive the orders, the email you want to receive the orders. So I'll be including my own email here for us to confirm. I'll be placing an order for us to see. Odushola. This is where I'll be receiving my orders. So title of the email, I can say anti-theft bag order. Action name, admin email, then subject. Okay, so I think that is that for now. Success message, admin email, record submission, that is no big deal. So let's done it like this. Done. Then come to advanced, click on advanced, display settings. So form title, the title of the form, let's say let's call it anti-theft bag order form, this way. So further settings, display form title, if you want it displayed, I'll be leaving it on so you guys can see. So and every other thing, I think that's all. We don't need anything, nothing much there, nothing much. So now click on done. So guys, with that, we've come to the end of our order form creation. Let's go through the items once again. Full name, phone number, alternative phone number, preferably WhatsApp, email, detailed delivery address, then quantity followed by times of delivery, and submit. So once you've reviewed and confirmed like that, then click on publish. As you can see, almost there. Form title, anti-theft bag order form. Click on publish this way. Publish. So it's been published. What we have to do next now is close this page. Let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, guys, the form has been created, anti-theft bag order form. So the next thing we want to do now is we have to copy this code this way. Highlight on it, copy it like this, copy it. Now let's now go back to our product sales page. I have it opened already this way. Product sales page. This is it. So I'll be adding the form. So how do we add the form? As usual, guys, first we add a structure, but in this case we are not adding a single column structure. We are adding this 3-column structure, but it's not going to be equal 3 sizes. It's going to be 3-column structure with wide center, this particular one. So this center column is what we are going to be using to hold. It's going to be the container for our form widgets. So let me add it like this. It's been added, as you can see. So the next thing we want to do now is to search for the form. So now you won't be able to search for the form directly. You search through shortcode. Just type short codes here. Short codes, as you can see, this is it. Short codes. You drag it like this, drop it here, this way. Drop it rather. Drop it here, then click on this button. So the code you copied here, this code you copied, this code, you are gonna place it here, paste it this way, then click on apply. So one thing about Ninja Forms is that if you add it to a product sales page that you are currently or actively building, it's not going to display until you view the product sales page on another tab. You see, like this now it has been added, but we're not going to see it. So for us to see now, let's update our work as usual. Update. So for us to be able to see if it has been added, you come down here, right here, you click on preview changes. This way it opens in a new tab. Preview changes like this. So this is the product sales page you've been working on so far. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down to view our form. As you can see, guys, this is the form, but the work is not yet done here. As you can see, the work is not yet done. There's something I would still like to add, so let me close it and go back. So this is it. This is the container here. So what I want to do now is to add an heading. Drag an heading, drop it here like this. Then you can name this as fill. Okay, let me see, fill order form. That way, then you align it to the center as usual. Click on this pen, then click on center. You align it to the center this way. Then what's next do you want to do is to style it. Come here, you can increase the fonts. Let me change this to Roboto condensed. Sorry guys. Then the size 30, let me see, 40. Is this really Roboto condensed? It doesn't look like it, but anyways, it's going to apply. So we have it this way. Now the color, I think the color is good like this, but let me change it to black. There's even one thing we still need to add that I forgot to include, but I'll be including it right away. Let me change this color first to, let me change it to black first. Let me change it to this color. Updates. Now I want us to add another structure here. Then let me drag this structure up here. Let me drag it up here. So what do I want this structure to contain? I want it to contain a heading that will say kindly fill the order form, or kindly proceed to fill the order form, like I have here. This is it here. You know, this is the product sales page format we've been working with since the previous video. So I'm just going to copy it. Let me align first, align to the middle, then I'm going to paste it here like this. I'll paste it here like that. Then I'll style it. Let me style it. Let me change the color to this. Then title, typography, should I make it Roboto condensed? Let me make it Roboto condensed. Then let's see, 40. Yes, 40 is good. Let me change this color. Oh, let me leave it first. Let's see the way it looks like. Let me update, then open preview changes. Let's see how it looks like now. There's something I'm still gonna include. So guys, you can see this is the order form here, but I would be adding a border to this order form to beautify it more, to just beautify it so it doesn't look naked like this. So how do we do that? How do we do that? We are 19 minutes down. Go back to Elementor. Now click on this section like this. We are editing everything within this section. Click on this section like this, then go to advanced, scroll down to style, not advanced, style. Go to border. So from the border you click on border type, make it solid, make it solid. Okay, no, let's not use this section. Let's use for the column. Let's edit for the column. I was editing for the section before, but let's edit for the column this way, the column. So let's go to style. For the column, I want this particular column of the section to be bordered. I want it to have border. So I clicked on column instead of clicking on the section, which I did before. You click on column like this, then go to styles, click on border, then make it solid. As you can see, that's a solid border. Then the width, you can make the width 2, shouldn't be too thick, or let's say 3 if 3 is good, or 2 should be good. 2 should be good. Then the border color, let's just make it black. We can't make it red. Let's make it black. Let's make it black like this. Let's make it black. Then border radius, as you know, radius has to do with the edges of whatever it is we are working with. So we can make the edges curve. So let's just go with a radius size of 5 for now. Is 5 okay? Let's do 10. 10 should be okay. So we update like this. Let's update it. So once we are done updating, we would view. Let me close this. This is, we'll preview changes again like this to see what we have done so far. As you can now see, guys, can you see? Can you see? This is the other form. As you can see, this is the other form here. This is the other form. This is the other form. Let me close it. Actually, I was meant to choose this one, not this one. This center wide, very wide. Let me choose this. It's not going to take me anything. It's only for me to drag and drop, then drag the form again and drop here. Then the style I have for this column, as I've taught us, just copy, then paste for this column. Paste style. Then we don't need this anymore. Let me update and show you guys what we did. I made the form look bigger, the spacing of the form to look bigger than it was before. At least it should look nicer now. Scroll down. As you can see now, guys, can you see it's bigger and it fits the page? It fits the page. So one more thing I would like to add on this product sales page, guys, is I actually forgot. Thank God you are back. Here on this video, we should add something like, let me create. You can just click on this plus to add a structure like this. Click on this, then add a structure like this. You understand? I'm supposed to add something like a description. It's actually not a big deal. It should just be a line. It should just be something like what's it called? Watch product video here. Watch product video here, not really a big deal. Then change the color to, I can make the, let me first make the background. Let me make the background. You know how we change the background? Let me make the background red. You click on this what's it called, this section, then go to style, come to background, click on this brush. I want to make the background red like this. Is okay like this. I want to make the background red. Then I want to make this text white. Click on this pen, come here, go to white, as you can see. So to edit the text typography, as usual, our usual font, Roboto condensed. Then this should be 40. What do we have here? Let's see. What do we have here? 45. Let's make it 45 as well. .45. So that's all. That's all. Let's see. That's all. Let's update. So guys, that's for this product sales page. And for this Naira sign, if you are wondering how to get it, you just go to Google, just type Naira sign, so it brings out the result. Wherever you find the Naira sign, just copy it and come and use it. I think it's better than using just the N sign as the Naira sign. So that is it. So guys, I think with that we have come to the end of this particular section of this course, which is the building a product sales page and creating a form using the Ninja Forms plugin. Maybe much later I can add a video that would show us how to use WP form. So it's actually not a big deal. If you are able to do this, then you should be able to navigate your way through the WP forms plugin. That's if you want to use it to create an order form. It's actually not a problem. So guys, let me preview once again. Okay guys, as you can see guys, this is really amazing. This is 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 amazing. Okay, let me just do one or two things before I round off. I need this color code. The color code, come here, copy this color code, copy this color code. I think I want this code, this color to be, where do I even need it? Let me work on this WhatsApp button. WhatsApp button styles, the hover effects. Let me remove the hover effects. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Let me just leave it that way. I think it's okay. Let's view it once again. As you can see guys, this is a typical product sales page. This is a typical product sales page. So I'll be filling this form now. Let me fill this form and send it so you can see how the order is being placed. Let me say Mike Ralph. Oh no, the phone number. Full name Mike Ralph. The phone number is 123456789. Alternative phone number is 987654321. Email should be bag@g.com. Delivery address should be Lagos, just like that. Quantity should be minimum of 1. Then I agree to the terms of delivery above. Like I said earlier, you can check it. They have to check it. If not, they won't be able to submit. So that is that on it. Then you click on submit this way. So guys, as you can see, your form has been successfully submitted. So I'll be going straight into my email now to show you the order email I receive. So you see the order email. Here's my email. Let me refresh. As you can see guys, this is it. This DCDM is my site's name. So if your own site were to be luxury apparel, so then it's going to show luxury apparel here. If it's fashion blisters, then it's going to show fashion blisters. You understand? So that means the email is coming from fashion blisters websites. You understand? So then, as you can see, anti-theft bag order. If you open it, you see the details there. Full name, aircraft, phone number, alternative phone number, email. You see delivery address, Lagos, quantity 1. I agree to the terms. As simple as that. So you can follow up with them with this information that they submitted. So quickly, let me go back and show you one or two things as well. Let me see. Order form, this and this. So guys, I want to show us how to add links. You might be wondering, why are these buttons empty? Why are they not useful? So now let me go back to my Elementor page, builder. So from here, you click on this button like this. Then whatever link you want to add to it, you just paste the link here. You understand? Click here to order now. Click here to order now. Click here to order now. So what you do here is, I want it to be that whenever they click on this button like this, it takes them to the form. It brings them down to this form. So how do I do that? I would come to this form first. This form. This is the form. Here. You click on it like this. Come to advanced. Then come to CSS ID. Just type form there. You understand? Form. Copy it. Then go to the click here to order now. Just the click here to order now. You know it's meant for carts. Just like add to carts. Click on it like this. So here the link, you can paste it like this. You see it, update. So whenever they click on this button, it takes them down to the form. As you can see, it takes them down to the form. I'll be adding that same thing to this one too as well. I'll paste it here, paste, update. So whenever they click on it like this, it takes them down to the form. So now for this WhatsApp button, you have to create a WhatsApp link, which is going to work like this. Whenever they click on this button, it brings them to your WhatsApp application for order. So let me quickly show you guys how to do that. So you create WA link. How do you create a WA link? Go to open a new tab, go to WA dot link. Let me see. WA dot link or create dot WA dot link. This is it here. So what do you want to do here now? The next thing you want to do here is you want to create an order template like this. So what you do here is you add your phone number. I've already explained this in the previous video on how to navigate your way through Elementor. So add your phone number here. Let's say let me add 0817 So custom text, you can say the name of your store, fashion blisters, enter. I would like to purchase the anti-theft bag. Below are my details. Then you should I say pre-fill or pre-enter the other details like name, phone number. Okay, let me put alternative phone number because this is their phone number already. Alternative phone number, email, quantity. I think that should be all. Okay, delivery address. Thanks. So as you have created it like this now, they will be the one to fill all these things out. You see the way it will appear now. I'll show us how it's going to appear once they click on the button. So in fact, this is how it's not exactly like this, but once you create yours, make sure you put your phone number, then you can test it. You see the way it looks like. So whosoever clicks on the button would have to fill all these things. It's just like, hi fashion blister, I would like to purchase the anti-theft bag. Below are my details. They'll input their name here, input their alternative phone number, input their email, the quantity they want, then the delivery address. Detailed, let me put detailed delivery address, then thanks. So once you are done like that, you just click on generate WA link. Click on it this way. Generate WA link. It generates a WhatsApp link for you. As you can see, this is the link. This is the link here. You can copy the link like this. Copy it. So we now go back to the Elementor page builder where you are building your product sales page. So you can now you click on this WhatsApp button like this. Click on it, or click on this edit button like this. Come back to content. Where you see this link, remove this one, then paste it like this. Can you see it? Update. Do same for this one as well. Click on it, remove this, paste, then update. Now guys, let's open this page on a fresh and new tab, and let's click on that button to see what happens. So for the click here to order now button, once you click on it like this, it brings you down. As you can see, it brings you right to the form. It brings you right to the form. As you can see, it brings you right to the form. Same applies to this one too. It brings them right to the form, as you can see. So they fill out the form. Now for the WhatsApp button, you know, we've included a link to it. So once they click on it like this, it opens up the link as if they want to place an order. Can you see? Hi, fashion blister, I would like to purchase the anti-theft bag. Below are my details. Name, the person will just put his or her name. Continue to chat. So once the person clicks on continue to chat, let's say they're accessing it through their phone, it opens automatically in their WhatsApp app on their phone. So once it opens on their WhatsApp app, they start filling all these things out, then they send you the WhatsApp message. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So I'll be going back now to the page. So this is it. So guys, with that, we have come to the end of the product sales page creation and form creation for our product sales page. So thank you very much, guys. And if there's any points, probably at any point in the video you missed something, even in the previous videos, you can always go back to watch. Take your time to watch, go back, watch, and make sure you are getting these steps right. Make sure you are getting everything right. So guys, thanks a lot. Do have a great time. I remain Olushola Daniel.